Hello friends, in this video I am going to explain a very important and very crucial rule of chess. The rule is stalemate. Stalemate happens when a player whose turn it is not under check and he does not have any legal move. When stalemate occurs, the game of chess is said to be draw. For example, consider this position. Assume it is white to move, and if white moves his rook to g7 square, then black king is not under check. Also, black king do not have any legal move here because black king cannot go here and here as these are covered by this rook. So this position is said to be draw. Now friends, consider another very interesting example. In this situation, assume it is white to move. If white moves his king to this square, then you can see that black king is not under check. But black king do not have any legal option as this and this square are covered by this pawn and this are covered by this king. So black king cannot go anywhere. So it is stalemate. So game is drawn. What will happen if in this situation it is black to move? If it is black to move, then black can come here and then white king can go here and promote his pawn to queen. So in that situation, white can win easily. But if it is white to move, then white cannot win this game. Now friends, consider another very interesting example. As you can see, white has queen and you must be thinking that white can win this game easily. But if white moves his queen to this square, then again, as you can see, black do not have any move left and black king is not under check, so it is again stalemate. So the game is again draw. So you must be very careful with the stalemate. Even if you have an extra piece, you should move it very carefully because stalemate can happen and game could be drawn which you can win easily.